Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745 and in this video I will show you how to use on-screen keyboard on this laptop. If you have access to your physical keyboard or if you have an external keyboard connected to your laptop, you can use the 3 keys combination Windows Ctrl O. This way you will enable on-screen keyboard right from the desktop or from the screen that you're currently at. You can reshape this keyboard by moving the sides and the corners of it. It has a normal keyboard and a numpad if you want to use it. You can place it anywhere on your screen, and if you want to open it from settings, for example, in case you don't have access to your physical keyboard, you have to open the start menu, then go to settings. In settings, select accessibility, then go to the keyboard section, open it and switch this toggle to the right. This way you will also enable the very same on-screen keyboard. But if you want to have access to your on-screen keyboard right from the desktop or from any other menu without the need to open the settings, you have to go to personalization, taskbar, find touch keyboard feature right here and change this value to always, and this way you will make this icon appear on your status bar. Click on it and it will enable the on-screen keyboard that cannot be moved or reshaped, doesn't have a numpad, but still is pretty convenient to use. And you can access it from anywhere you like. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.